Hey everybody, it's Sean, and I'm here today to talk to you about 3 reasons that you absolutely must attend one of our upcoming accountability financial workshops. Number 1, financial literacy. Unfortunately, this is not something that's taught to us in school, which is a real shame because 100% of the people in the world need to understand the importance of not only making money, but how to keep their money, and most importantly, how to multiply their money. So the responsibility of learning these skills is going to be yours. So let's get knowledgeable. Number 2, money is not a taboo topic. For most people, money falls into the same category as things like politics, sex, and religion. They just don't talk about it. Well, we're about to change that. Money's a team game. Let's share our goals and our dreams. Let's talk about our challenges and our fears. And that way, we can help each other learn and to grow. Number 3, a new financial blueprint. The same old way does not work anymore. Gone are the days of relying on one source of income. Terms that have been drilled into our heads, such as saving, Social Security, 401k, pensions, stock market. These need to drastically be rethought in order to excel in today's financial climate. So if you're ready to get accountable and change your mindset, join us in an upcoming Accountability Financial Workshop. New dates are continuously being added to the site, and every workshop is a unique experience. So go to accountabilitybuffalo.com to reserve your spot today. Again, that's accountabilitybuffalo.com. Can't wait to see you there.